nothing I can change.
I'm due, but I will be there beside you when it rains, beside you when it storms, keeping you safe, so don't you ever lose your faith. Trust that I will stay, I'll always be
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Are we live right now? We're live, right? All right, you know what? Screw it. Screw it. Screw it. Hello. We're here early. Screw the countdown. Top of the morning. Hope we are all happy, healthy, wealthy, public, YouTube, and of course, shouts out to the Nexus. How we doing, guys? Today is Wednesday, March the 11th, 9:30 a.m. We are here trading New York Open. I'm in a Bitcoin long, which we're not really trading today. We're looking to get into some futures trades. By the way, my account, my Tradeify, funded in 3 days. Okay, I have not taken a new trade on this account since it has been funded. You can see account balance 50K. Let's see how much money we can steal from these guys together here on live. I want to remind everybody that all content presented is a complete joke. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. Wait, I haven't slept in 3 days, guys. Okay. All content presented is a complete joke. It should not be taken seriously. An income of 5 to the quarter when we see a non-financial advisor. Crypto scam. Making money is possible. Global warming is real. There's 5 years discretion is advised. That was actually not a bad one, to be honest with you. Just want to remind everybody of the disclaimer, okay? Hope we are all doing well. How are you guys doing today? First of all, are we doing... Are we happy, healthy, wealthy? That's number one. Let me know. 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 And I don't remember what second of all was. Listen, guys, you need to have patience with me today. I have not slept in 3 days. On my dead homies, I haven't. Okay. So we're going to see what we can do. Maybe we can take a couple trades together. But when I say together, I mean, don't listen to me. Don't follow me because I don't know what I'm doing. So don't ever follow me. But yeah, let's see what we can do. And maybe we can have some fun here together. Okay, we are going to be joined with Jabs, potentially Jet, and oh, we got the whole gang in here right now. Okay, we got Jabs, we got Dom, we got Jet, we got White Phoenix in the club right now. So we're going to try our very best here to take some trades together. Hope we're all happy, healthy, wealthy. Thank you all for being here with me. Every 100 likes, guys, every 100 likes we give away a Nexus internship. Okay, the Nexus is my premium Discord, my premium network. It's not just the Discord, where I guide you through every step of the way. We take the trades together. We had a long this morning live on the YouTube, and you know, we have our plan, and the plan is in motion. So make sure you hit the like button for an opportunity to join that. So I'm long on Bitcoin. This is TP on Bitcoin, and we're looking for shorts on Bitcoin. In fact, I need to let everybody know at NXG, BTC hit NNTP on the long from this morning. Shorts are now acceptable. However, I would not be surprised to see continuation. No distro here equals no short for me. Okay, looks like we're right again. All right, let's go and say hello to all of our friends. Let's say hi to you guys first. Frito, good morning. To me, it looks like a 4-hour distribution. This price could be the third tap, or it might go to 74K for the third tap. Yeah, I think personally it's very unlikely. I think it is very unlikely that we don't see 74K. I think it is very, very, very unlikely. I thought we were going to see 74K yesterday. Very unlikely we don't see 74K personally. I actually think that we could go up towards 86K. Okay. Jack Trades, good morning. Mariana, good morning. Ozzy, and Chaba, top of the morning to you all. Okay. We're going to join the gang and we're going to see if we can take some trades. We're trading ES, Stella today, and Kizzy today. R Pink, what's up? What's poppin'? And we'll trade some Bitcoin today as well. We're doing not a bad day today. It's a pretty good day. Not a bad day so far. Okay. All right, let's change our volume here so we can get our boys in, get our friends here in. Okay, I need y'all to give me some sound checks, okay? If the sound check is gonna sound good here in a minute when I join them all, then let me know by giving me some tree emojis, okay? Tree emojis if the sound check is good. All right, let's join them. Make sure.
I see a model
Okay,
one.
we're back and we are live on YouTube.
You can see either one. Okay, just look at my screen real quick. This.
Okay,
Hey,
wait,
wait.
we're live on YouTube.
I gotta
This
get
is what I'm talking.
We're live on YouTube.
We're live on YouTube.
Okay.
We're live on YouTube.
Okay,
Yo.
we just gotta keep London's high, I think. If we take out, I don't know if they're gonna be able to do it. If we break structure on the ES, boys, I'm going short. It's so weak today, it's not even funny.
Now, did
Yeah.
you see?
I don't see the. You gotta show me what you see because I don't see it.
I'm screen sharing.
Oh, okay, hold on.
All right.
This
Let's
is
get
the one
into
I was
some
talking
futures
about.
trades. Look at all these lows. Yo,
Bitcoin's
you
coming
guys
right.
should have seen yesterday. All these kids were crying because of the equal lows, and they were like so triggered. They're like, if you take these trades, you're
You're gambling. Blah,
yeah,
blah,
yeah,
blah.
yeah. Like they were
Like,
tweet. Yo,
yeah.
I'm on futures Twitter now. Like I'm knocking on the door, bro. They're so toxic. I've been called retarded 4 times already.
Oh yeah, they're toxic,
Yeah.
bro. People over there are crazy. too.
They're
You know?
way more toxic
Literally-
than here.
Literally,
You know,
the
I mean,
only
they're just
reason-
mad that you're winning.
Yeah,
Oh, here's the
only-
thing. If you think futures people are toxic, wait until you meet Forex people, bro.
Really?
They're-
Forex?
Oh my god, they are the worst bunch of the. Yeah, I don't care what anybody thinks either. Like they are the worst. Listen. I started my career in Forex, bro. Before crypto trading, it was Forex Phoenix, you know,
Yeah.
and that's where I started. So when I started, of course, I was looking into all these different groups and places and everything else, and I've seen the worst of the worst. But I've seen it everywhere, really. But people can get crazy, or yeah, I know. It's just like a hateful world when it comes to like this kind of stuff.
We got a TP here on Biddy.
I missed the long. Slept in. Yeah, I'm ready to short everything right now, to be honest.
Let's check ES. I don't know, man.
For sure. Just gonna wait for it.
We're at the Lickwick right now. Dude,
Oh,
last
what
night's
the-
price action was so stupid. We're at the Lickwick on
I
Stella.
don't even know how you long that on Bitcoin, actually. I don't think I would have taken that long.
I
That's-
longed the 30-second. Wait, am I sharing my screen or no with you guys? You guys
actually,
see my
yeah.
screen?
I might have tried it.
Bro,
Yeah,
I literally longed this. I swear to God, this was my risk reward right here. 30-second OBC right here.
Yeah, that's crazy. I would never.
Now I'm
taken
not
that.
still in that position. I wish I was, but whatever.
Yeah, no, fuck that.
I'm somehow only. I thought I was in like 3 Bitcoin. I'm only in 1, so that's kind of gay, but whatever. Anyway, let's see if we can hit our loud and clear. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can hit our futures
Yeah.
trade. Looks like we missed the
I'm
move,
ready.
though. Looks like I missed the move. Is he lagging or am I lagging?
It's either straight for straight.
You're
Am I
lagging,
lagging?
I think.
Is
I
he
can hear
lagging or am
Phoenix.
I lagging?
I don't really
You're
hear any
lagging.
lag. I mean, call me crazy.
He's not
You
lagging
think
or
I sent
I'm
you a
lagging?
photo? I sent you 2 photos.
You're lagging now.
Yeah, you're lagging.
Oh, I'm lagging.
You, Trader Geo.
My shit is so. Oh my days. Here we
Yeah.
go.
Bad. Oh my days.
Yo, Phoenix, can you hear me?
Yeah.
You see that line I drew? We hit that to the penny.
We hit what now?
I sent you 2 photos in your DMs.
Okay, this is where I'm actually very, very interested in shorting Bitcoin. Sorry, Bitcoin's not important right now because I make money on Bitcoin. I'll check it right now. Hold on.
Bro, this. Oh my gosh, this long is so juicy, dude. Everybody's so fucking bearish. This is
Bear.
going for.
I'm a
no,
bear.
No way. This is taking. Oh, we're at the 786 right now. Well, not
That's
right
that's
now. We're
exactly
almost
where I
there.
wanted
I
to
don't
hit.
even. Shit ain't gonna stop.
So here's the thing. That fractal that I've been screaming about for like years, it feels like. Part of that fractal is this, like we created a bigger distribution is what we did. So I wouldn't be surprised if we swept that high from yesterday, because this distribution was way too small. It was way too tight versus the fractal from 2022. It was only a day. The last one was like 4 days or 3 days. So I would not be shocked if we swept previous day high in Bitcoin and then we got a nice juice to go from there. And that's
All
not,
these kids.
Perma Bears lose again.
All these kids, bro, they're calling you stupid for the way that you trade futures, but literally the only reason you didn't pass the first 2 accounts because you didn't know how to open a fucking trade.
Who, me?
Literally. Yeah, it's like you didn't even know how to use TradingView, or you would have passed the first one.
I
Wait.
failed the first 3 because of that shit. So
Wait, who called me stupid though?
No, you said the guys on Twitter are calling you retard.
Oh yeah, but that's not why they called me stupid. Some guy was like, he was shorting a higher low, higher high, and all I did was I was like, yo, like just letting you know, like expectation order flows higher low, higher high. Bro, they replied in that comments with like the stupid Patrick from SpongeBob, like
Did
the
they?
dumb, like the dumb retarded thing, dude. I got called. He's like, he was like, I don't give a fuck about your shitty critique, retard. And I was like, damn, bro, like. Like, I'm trying to help you, but okay, whatever you say.
He got smoked, obviously, I'm sure.
Yeah, dead homies.
I mean, the one was mad that he didn't get the long because it didn't sweep the low, and they're mad about it. And Gio's like, "No, bro,
Man,
long was great. It showed his
hope-
profits."
Dude, everybody's so bearish. I hope Bitcoin just absolutely rips everybody a new one.
I took a really risky short on Bitcoin at that high. Like a
Oh,
degenerate.
really? Wow. Okay. Well, I hope you hit your TP and then. And that is a knife catch. short.
I got in on the nick of like 71.033, like a degenerate. So yeah, I've been waiting for that block since last night. Like that was my block.
Yeah,
but
we just
we'll
hit the top of it, right? Or which
Yeah.
block are we? Yeah. We just hit it.
Yeah, the middle. It hit the middle of it, but yeah, on mine we did. Yeah, it's
we could
working.
Get a little pullback here.
I'm actually being like super smart with this short though, because it could go higher and take a previous day high. Oh my god, it's gonna nuke. Oh my god, it's gonna nuke. Oh my god, I think I got stop. Yeah. If it takes it that low, bro, it's gonna nuke. At like 70.5, it's gone. I think so.
Nazi. What's Nazi doing? Okay,
boy,
for sure.
I
There's
missed
no
one.
shorts. No, for me, no shorts on Nazi until that high until
Hey,
this
look
little
at
high.
ES.
goes.
Oh, never mind Nazi. ES is the weaker one today. It's getting wrecked on the open, bro. It's an open and consolidate. It's not even an open and run. That's bearish, bro. It's literally opening and consolidating. If we break down right here, right now, I'm shorting it 100%. I'm covering that high. If we lose VWAP right now, I'm going in. If we do, I'm not going to anticipate it. I'm going to wait to see if it happens. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But
I'm
I'm
looking
not
at
playing.
long Stella.
You're looking along that? You're crazy.
Bro, look at my screen.
It's distributing in an order block.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, yeah, I see it.
and like, why would they V out here?
I've seen it. They did it last time. Look, go back. See that last V? They V'd
yeah.
it. They put it lower high and they nuked it. Yeah.
Yeah, but did this hit anything though?
Not really. Like they do it all the time, bro. It's weird.
I mean,
But
either
anywho,
way,
we're
like,
losing
we're
VWAP
not
right now.
here trading on the 30-minute either way, but I
Yeah.
guess like right now we're in the dead center of the range, pretty much lower
just
end.
Wait,
And we do
fucking-
have equal highs and we do have equal lows. Like the real good in like the best thing is to wait for either the lows to go or the high to go.
Yeah, I
but
agree. That's what I'm
You're
doing.
gonna wait. You're gonna wait 10 years for that.
Oh, no, I thought you meant the local. Go to the 1 minute right quick. Go to 1 minute. 30-second. Go 30-second. Never mind the one. You look at this, right? Structure flipping. We're
Oh,
losing
that
VWAP.
looks bad. Yeah, that looks bad. That looks bad.
If we get one more test up, I'm shorting it. If not, I'll rim seed down. I didn't get in yet. I should have. Fuck.
Yeah, that looks bad. Yeah.
Oh man, I was right. Damn it. Okay. Oh well, that's fine. That's fine. We can still get in. We just gotta wait. What's Stella doing or Nazi doing?
Nazi's holding up big time, bro.
Way better. Way better. But there's a massive SMT between them though, because one took out all the size, one didn't, right?
By the way, what you said about how everybody knows about SMTs in futures, dude, you are so right about that.
I know. I know.
Oh my gosh. Whenever I see an SMT, like I almost want to counter trade it.
Well, here's the thing. They ignore them because of their inverse fair value gaps and put stop losses in the middle of the fucking candles. It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell
like,
that is, bro.
I mean, like,
I don't know what the hell inverse fair value gaps are. I don't think this is.
I don't know. I could not tell you what it is. Literally could not tell you.
Bro,
no idea.
I can tell you what it is, but it's stupid.
I don't want to know.
This is not a short for me. There's no way I'm shorting this. I need Stella to take the high again for me to short. It's too
I don't think they play crackhead games and fake out the view up very often.
Jesus.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're on top of that shit. So that's why I'm like,
We're on the top of the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're coming for me.
So I'm
shorted?
allowed to lose 2,000. Oh, by the way, Jabs, I did.
Yep.
So I passed my account. My account's funded.
You can only lose 1K per day. You have 2,000.
Yeah, but 2,000 total, right?
Correct.
So what if I lose 1K first? What happens?
They just shut you down for the day, and then you have to wait till 6, and then you can trade again.
Okay, but what happened? So okay, I did the daily one instead of the 5-day one. Is that the better one?
It's a really personal preference. I mean, it doesn't matter.
Okay, well, let's get some fucking payouts then.
Yes, sir. I'd risk 0.5%. Like, you know how we go in the thing?
Yeah.
And do the I'd risk like 250, like 0.5%, risk percent balance, and then that'll give you 4 trades before you hit your daily loss limit, which I don't think that'll happen. Yeah. I mean, you're not going to make as much right away, but you know.
That's fine. That's fine. My goal right now, I don't need to make like here's what I realized. Tradeify is actually not that good.
Yeah, they're all kind of. Well, here's the thing. What I came to realize, they all suck.
Bro, listen.
I am short right now. I just shorted ES, and my stop is above the high, so I'm actually in a little bit. I'm barely in green, but I'm up 120 bucks.
Okay, Apex. Here's what I've learned. Apex has a lot of gay rules, but you can withdraw unlimited.
No, what do you mean?
No, you can't.
There's no cap on payouts. Yeah.
Yes, there is. There is.
Is there?
Yeah, fucking.
Of course. Yeah.
Okay, don't listen to me then. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think. I don't know. I think.
Listen to me that he says, what a guy.
There is.
He cracks.
No, I thought it was unlimited payouts.
No, bro. You have to. Okay, listen. Like on a 50K account, the max you can pull out on your first payout is 1,500 after 5 days of minimum 150 or 250. I think it's 250 profits, which is whatever, right? It doesn't matter. But then you have to do that again for another 5 days, and then it goes up to 2,000 for 3 payouts. Then the next one is 3K, and then your last one is 4,000, and then you're on a live account. So it would take you literally until June to get on a live account if you did everything perfectly.
Man, on Tradeify, here's what I learned though. I didn't know this. So I have no cap on how much I can make in profit, right? So right now my balance is 50K. If I let's just say I hit a banger today and I make 10K. Okay, so I make 20% of the account. Very doable, right? Let's just say hypothetically. Now, if I want to withdraw, I can withdraw $1,000 per day, so I can take out 1,000. But you need to make half
500.
of what you want per day. So I can't. There's no
That's
point
only
in
after
even
the second payout. Only after, like the first payout, you have to make what you make.
have to do it every day. And it's not.
Yeah.
It's not a one-time thing.
Yeah.
It's until
Like
you go
you-
to live. That's when it stops. Every payout you take, you have to make at least 500 though. So take the whole full
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah, but the first thing I think I read the AI chatbot told me that your first payout you have to make what you want to take out, and after that, then you can make half. So like all you'd have to do is just survive, and you could take out that whole 6K. Just make $500, request withdraw, stop trading. Because if you trade more, right? Don't they fuck you or something or no?
No, they don't fuck you. Just lose the money eventually when you move to live. Bro, I wasn't looking at the charts. I was trying to log into my Apex. I would have shorted the fucking high.
I just
shorted
I
too.
told you guys.
Yeah.
Told you guys to
I-
short it, man.
I mean, I might just
Yeah,
short
you
for
did,
yeah,
you
bro. I was
did.
trying to log in. Because I was trying
You're
to look
on
for the
Apex
Apex
now?
login. No, I have. I still
I was
have my
heavily
funded. I just,
considering shorting from here.
I shorted. I'm
Dude,
up $50 on 13 micros on ES right now. My entry is 6790.5. We'll see.
What account size did you get?
I've got
50K.
150. Yeah, here I'll share my screen so you can see it.
I believe you. I mean, nuke it.
Yeah, I'm either gonna get either gonna be a banger trade or I'm gonna get break even because I'm not doing a friggin' I'm not TPing like a lunatic at like $500. That's so stupid, bro. On a 150K account.
Like a lunatic.
Yeah, that's what I was doing wrong, bro. I was taking too many aggressive TPs, and I'm like, what am I doing? I don't do that on Bitcoin. Why am I doing that here? So I don't know, man. It's so stupid. Like I just need to let it chill. Chill, Daddy. SA, chill, Stella.
Chill, Stella. Stella
get 60
Ola.
I make $3,600 if it goes down that low, and I'm done. All I need is
Sure.
67.37, and we're done.
Yeah.
What an interesting move today.
Nuke it,
This
motherfucker.
price action is so like the last little while has just been so like the last like 12
Yeah.
hours. You see what Asia did, man? They're fucked.
Yeah, they are fucked. They are fucked.
Yeah.
And
I
London,
slept
like
right.
London, like this is insane PA right now.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I'm not covering that whole high anymore. I'm covering the second break, by the
I'm
way.
not. I'm letting it. No, because every time I do that, they get me. They get me
What's
every
the
time. You can.
multi-time frame
You
indicator?
want to secure your profits. I need a big profit, right? I can't take a tiny one anymore. I'm looking for at least $1,500, or I'm not taking it. I'm playing these games.
I'm not playing these
Wait.
cowboy games.
I
putting
don't
on live
wanna
today.
play games.
On the NQ, by the way, FYI. If we lose
Bullish
VWAP,
news. Dump it.
Yeah,
Look at real time trading hours at NQ. We literally SFB'd like quite an important high, and then we nuked straight away from it. Like this is our range deviation technically. If you just look at real time trading hours.
I got smoked, boys. Holy shit, I'm up billions on Bitcoin. Whoa.
Yeah, I bet he just died.
Bro, I'm up. I got $1,000 move from that fucking entry. I top ticked that shit.
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
I think we can come out and take out the low that we just put in, but
I have a feeling they're gonna come back for me, and then I'm gonna get stopped to break even, and then they're gonna nuke it. Why do I feel like that?
just take half out.
No, it's not. It's only $400, bro. I can't. It's not enough.
What do you mean? You just made $1,000. You said.
Bitcoin. I don't care. Yeah, no, I already took half out of Bitcoin. I'm talking about ES.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I feel like they're gonna be stupid with it. Yeah, they are.
This is really
Guys, I know why it's going up. We hit a 15-minute fair value gap.
You encroached him.
This is really
Oh my god, they're coming right back for me. They round trip me on the short. No way. Did they actually do that to me? What the fuck?
Oh. Yeah.
That was
Yeah,
dumb,
I got
bro.
stopped. Break even.
Lost $27. That's crazy, man.
It's yeah. Like we have so many equal lows and equal highs. That's the problem. Like it's
Mhm.
not
Just
really
weird.
ideal. But we're just coming to hit supply right now. We could just be rim seeing or bear hugging.
I get a better entry anyways.
Yeah, that's stupid, bro. Oh, that was really dumb. We're above VWAP now, though. Are you trying it again, Jebs?
Volume weighted average price.
Oh my god, they're gonna nuke it now.
I'm not touching. Did you get out?
Yeah, they took me out.
Oh.
Fuckers.
He bought? Hold on.
How are you gonna try it again, Phoenix?
I don't know now because I fucked me up. I didn't think I was gonna get stopped out there. If we break the low, I'm
I'm not
gonna.
gonna lie. I thought it
Oh
was
my
gonna
god, I
die.
should have showed it again. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, this is too.
That was stupid though. I'm not gonna lie. That was like Bitcoin. That was like a Bitcoin move there that they did on me. Bitcoin's playing by the rules perfectly. Here we go with ES becoming the new Bitcoin. What the fuck is going on here? No
I mean,
way.
bro, Phoenix, I thought we agreed that we was gonna trade fucking Dow Jones and Russell, bro.
I'm just gonna,
Thought we was leaving.
bro.
I thought we were cheating on ES and Q.
Oh, I should have short that. That was way better. I forgot. Dow didn't mess around at all. It just went straight down.
Yeah,
And then,
same as the Russell. Take the low.
fuck sakes. That's frustrating, bro. That is frustrating.
This is the indicator, by the way. ICT HDF candles, and then you can just change it to whatever time frames you like.
Okay, I gotta find another short. Maybe if we break that low on NQ, it's definitely a short.
Oh yeah,
Let's check NKizzy.
you'd have a ton of trapped longs as well because
Check
everyone
Nasdaq.
long that fair value gap. Like let's be real.
Yeah.
Everyone
There's
and their mother is long from there.
a gap right below is actually in the 1 minute time frame of volume, like a candle gap.
Trader White Phoenix. Chase says, can you tell WP there is no pecker on the daily candle for BTC? Crypto Scarface with $10 donation. Thank you very much. Why do you guys even bother with stupid futures? That's why we have crypto. Sort the hell out of the alts. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think crypto's been kind of like frustrating lately, personally. But
Come on,
like
Kobe.
trading
Come on,
futures.
Come on, Kobe. Oh my gosh. Get in the house. Stupid dogs. Yeah, there's no daily pecker, you say. Which way? Up or down? Don't say up. Oh my god, it's down, isn't it? Oh my god, it's Bitcoin's gonna nuke. Thanks for telling me that. Appreciate it. That's my target.
BDL.
I didn't even notice that, actually. Dead ass. I didn't notice it. Yeah, I gotta get. You know what? That's okay. I'm gonna short it again. I'm getting in it. I'm getting in. Stella. I'm not missing this. Oh man, that's such a small trade though. It's not worth the fuck. Can't believe they took me out of my great position. You know why? Because I didn't see the fucking 2 minute order block. I would have covered the order block if I had seen it. It's my own fault. Messed up. I guess. We're switching that. Okay, hold on.
Oh, these guys are out for blood today.
I wish we
these
could
guys
sweep
are-
that high once more on ES. It'd be nice, bro. I wish they could just wick it one more time. Just wick it one more time.
So out for blood today.
I don't think they're going to, though. I think they're going to be
I
stupid
think
with
they're gonna nuke. They've already range deviated, and like they already confirmed it.
On which one?
If we're going real time trading hours in NQ, we've already had our range deviation.
Oh, yeah, we did.
We distribute into it.
But we also deviated the low.
Yeah, I mean true.
We also have supply above like the what is this previous day high PDH. No, not PDH. This other low. Yeah, I don't know, man. This is. I think right now it's like. Me personally, I don't think it's a short right now, but you guys do you. I want to see. I'll entertain a short if NQ takes out 25-120. Like take out that little high, this high here. Take this shit out. You're right there. Like take that out. I'll talk about shorts, but for me, I'm not gonna short it.
My goated friend thinks it's also a short. He says he thinks they're going to go down to on ES. That is, he thinks it's going down to 66.50 at least. I'm like, okay, I'll take that information.
Maybe ES comes up and like gives you a lower high, and then NQ comes up and gives you a higher high, and then you get an SMT.
That'd be
Like,
nice.
That's something.
That'd be
I
great.
could see. That's something I
Yeah.
could see happen. But for me, like at least in terms of NQ, I just I can't short these equal highs. I just can't. So we'll put an alert there, and then there's no long. I can't long either, so I have no trade right now.
Wait, now we're coming up again. NQ might take that high again. Maybe if we're lucky.
I think it will, bro.
Okay, wait, no, they're taking the high again. Yes, okay, they are.
I think Bitcoin is gonna go too. I don't think it's. Why would we fake out all night and then come back down to that? Like, it just doesn't really make sense to me. Could happen, but I don't think so. All right, NQ's coming for the high right now, so it looks like we made the right decision. Looks like we made the right decision. What's the?
Yeah, we missed something. Oh yeah, we got. Oh my gosh, we have Asia's high right above us on NQ, bro. That's what they're coming for.
Yeah. What's Stella Ella Ola doing?
That's gonna be a good short, I think.
What's Stellar's doing? My baby. I like Stel way better than Nazi. Let's get ready. 0.25% of the balance.
You can do half though. You can do half.
Oh yeah, right.
So it would be like 250 risk. Yeah.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant to do.
Estelle. I'd short
Stella.
Estelle, not Nasdaqistan though.
Stella. Yeah, I don't want to short Nasdaqistan.
We're about to get a bearish SMT in a second. If I think.
Yeah, we're about to take that high. So we definitely made the right call in not shorting Nazi. But the thing is, what's Stella doing now? Yeah, Stella's back up. So is Bitcoin. I think, I don't know. I think it's a RIMC up. I don't think it's a down, but we'll see.
Okay, ES took the high. Yep, done. No bearish SMT anymore. See ya.
Yep.
Both highs gone.
Yeah, that's not a
London's high.
short.
London, that was London's high, by the way. We
Moon
SMT.
is.
We deviate here.
Look
Game
at this.
over.
Yeah, that's not short, bro. That is so. Yeah, no short.
Look at Estelle.
I know, and there's no shorts. No way.
Oil's
Should have
nuking.
fucking longed it. We're at the range low.
Dump oil.
Oil's
Why?
taking a bath right now.
Yeah, fuck oil. Nuke it. I hate when oil's up.
Yeah, I'll hate when oil's up, but here's the thing. Oil looks like a model 2 accumulation, doesn't it?
Here's the thing with oil. If you take a long and you get a payout from it, you're paying it back at the fucking pumps, boys.
It doesn't matter though.
You know?
Yeah.
Well, I have a Tesla, so.
All right, sorry.
So listen, take a look at my screen right quick, and you're gonna be like, "Wow, oil's a giga long." Ready?
Wait, let me put your
1,
on the thing.
2, break a structure up, demand, front run on demand, induced on demand. This is your long on oil right here.
Ooh,
Wait, do it
that's
again.
look juicy.
Okay, tap 1, tap 2, remaining demand that was induced right here. We're SFPing into it. We take this low, and we do this. It's a long.
Oh, I agree with that.
That means everything else is gonna nuke. If that bounces, everything is gonna nuke.
Short on
So-
the market.
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, so we have to keep our eye out on that. But I have no trade on ES here. I have no trade on NQ here. Oh,
This is
Yeah.
actually a
no,
really.
that's not a
This is
short.
a picture perfect Model 2 on oil, boys.
Oh yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I've been watching.
All right, I'm adding an alert.
Bitcoin is.
Yeah, me too. I'm
by the
long
way,
oil.
you're covering your Bitcoin trade, right? We're mooning.
Yeah, I'm already out.
Okay.
Oh, Geo.
Yeah,
Bitcoin's mooning.
I know.
I'll
love
short
just stating. I love stating the obvious, this kid.
Bro, there's nothing that's gonna convince me that Bitcoin's not headed for 74K. I just don't see any way
Guy.
it doesn't go for it.
It's heading for 86K.
I
Yeah,
think
right.
it can. I highly believe it can.
None of you,
Highly.
you guys are
Dude,
all too bearish.
everybody, bro, the
It's going
timeline
to
is
fucking all-time high.
Oh, I didn't get
so
stopped.
bearish.
I didn't get stopped in Bitcoin. I still have half left, so we'll see.
This also
my
could be a
God.
short here, though. But I'm
They
not-
mooned oil again. Fuckers, bro.
I know, but that's here. Wait for it though.
Oh,
They
look at that
front.
nuke.
Help
Damn.
me.
Look at that nuke city right there. On
But every time you, oh yeah, that looks terrible, boys. That's yeah. I'm telling you, this is a short. It's going to be a
do we have
short.
an SMT here?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have a good SMT. Well, all I wanted was the Nazi to take the high, and it did that, and it hit the supply. So now the
ES
question is,
didn't
can
sweep
we...
its
hard.
second tap here.
Okay, wait. Let's draw an inverse fair value gap and take the encroachment of it.
Okay, here we go. How do you do it though? Oh wait, you guys are trolling, surely, right?
Did we hit that demand on Jabs? Can you check to see if oil hit that order block on the micro? Because it
It
didn't
didn't.
on the main.
It didn't.
Oh, let me look micro.
Because that's awfully strange that they fronted that order block on oil.
It did not.
No, it's the same thing on micro.
So we have double
Yes,
inducement on that block now. So if we ever do get back to that, I am gig along in that thing if I see a reaction.
Here's the thing though now is that we're above VWAP. Like I can't short until we lose the VWAP.
VWAPski?
Not I can't short. But
Estelle.
I'm not familiar enough with how the Nazi and Stella like move yet to confidently.
They bounce a lot off of fucking VWAP, bro.
Yeah, they seem to. They really do, yeah.
They like
So
it.
like yeah, and now I'm on my funded account, so I can't just take, you know,
It's
punts
not-
and shit.
It's not time to dick around.
Yeah, like my shit needs to be good. Nasdaqistan.
Yep. Nasdaq fucking flew through the whole supply. You know what we did? Shit. Geo.
Yeah.
Color to color.
Kala takala.
We hit the range 786 just now.
On what? On
Nasdaq. I've been extending it every time we close back in the range.
you've been extending it?
All right, bro. Here we go.
Come on, let's just make $1,000 and whatever.
You can make as much as you fucking want today.
I know, but here's the problem. I'm telling you oh, I need to turn off the max cap thing on my trade evade.
Remember,
Here's
you have
the
to make
thing
the buffer
though.
as well.
Here's the thing though. Let me tell you the problem. The problem is that if I get the account up to like 60K, I still have to make 500 every single day. So there's no point in getting ahead.
Well, there is, because when you hit a good trade, the intraday there's no intraday trail on that. So you would have way more than $1,000 before, like you can risk more on the next trade if you hit a good one.
I know,
Like-
but even if I risk more and I make more, I still need to make money
Yeah,
to
of
take
course.
that money out.
Just remember,
Which is like
after five
it's-
pounds, you move to live. You're gonna lose the money anyway, even if you make too much. It doesn't transfer over to your live account.
so all I need to do is get 5 payouts and that's it.
Literally, just get 5 pounds, so move you to live, and then you can do whatever the fuck you want. But right now, you're still restricted to the fact that if you make too much money, you're not gonna transfer over to live after 5 payouts. I mean, like, you will
wait, and then when
transfer,
I'm
but
live, I
anyway.
can withdraw whatever I want.
When you're live, you can withdraw 250k if you really want to, and they'll give you a bonus on that.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
They give you
Yeah,
a
they
$50,000
give you-
bonus.
Yeah, they give you bonuses for like milestones, like 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 and 250k. I think they give you like bonuses on your payout.
Oh, you
It's
can
like,
do
yeah.
hotkeys? We can do hotkeys on Trade Evade. Did you know that?
Boys, we SFP'd the high into a 50-minute block. That was a
Yeah.
not a one
Okay,
distribution.
how do I do the risk settings? Okay, so what do I do? Daily loss limit? I should do that, right? 1,000 from the provider. Weekly loss.
I'd like to have one more little push up, and I'm gonna press market short.
Why is Jabberson addicted to poker? Yeah, why are you?
It's not the poker. It's just
This might be a
with-
short here now, by the way.
It's
Right
just
here.
the chips, like
Shit, should I take this? If this was,
shuffling.
if this was Stella, I would take it, but I don't know. I haven't
Stella
done my
Elaola?
I haven't done my TA on Nazi. Oh yeah, this could be a. Oh,
This looks nasty, bro.
oh, I missed it. This should I try one? We're gonna try one.
Do on the Russell.
No, I don't know. I don't trade dudes, bro. I trade girls. I trade Stella.
Yeah, but girls are like unpredictable with their emotions, you know. Like men are more
Yeah,
like
this
straightforward.
fuck. This looks good. This looks good. Okay, what is this on?
True.
I'm covering the whole high.
Speaking facts, aren't I?
No, you don't even need to cover.
That's
that.
why. That's why I tried the Dow Jones.
Hell yeah. To be
You're risking
fair,
1%?
I wouldn't have.
Oh,
I
oh,
wouldn't
No, I'm
take
risking
it.
0.5%.
That's Phoenix.
What is it?
Yeah, this looks good. We need to get in though.
Dude.
Okay, come back up and hit this encroachment, and then I'm in.
That much, holy shit.
It could be an encroucher. I don't know. Who knows?
I don't even know what that fucking means, but whatever.
Yeah.
This looks okay. Where's my 2-minute block? Yeah, cover the 2-minute block. I don't know. The high is kind of ugly though.
Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm not shorting it yet. Fuck that. I'll wait now.
Why is there no dick pecker on that?
Moon oil.
I can't believe oil missed my zone, bro. Fuck.
Nah, bro. We gotta come back for that. What the fuck?
So I think BTC
They're
has
not
a
doing
bullish
that,
day.
though.
I don't know. I think it's a sideways day. But I am in the midterm more bullish than bearish on Bitcoin. I don't know. Everybody's so bearish.
Who's calling me?
But I actually just head shorted Bitcoin, so it's fine. Now at least I'm in one. Oh man, I really want to get into this. Nasdaqistan. Bro, I don't like the previous day high though. That's the problem. I don't like the PDH.
Yeah,
I
but
don't like the PDH. And you have Skittles on the low. And it was like pre-New York manipulation. Or like news manipulation and shit. I don't know. I don't trust the short right now.
Here's what I noticed. I like the way that if you go back and you look at you're used to looking at Bitcoin's previous day highs and determining what looks bad on Bitcoin, but then you look at Nasdaq and ES, they're way different, bro. Like all the tops and bottoms, like look at any significant top and bottom, they just look like shit. They always do compared to like Bitcoin. And I learned that, and I was like, and that's what I was looking at originally too. And then I'm like, okay, I got to adjust my mindset to accommodate the difference because they always look way different, bro. Like you're not going to see a massive like sell-off wick very often, for example, on these versus Bitcoin, you know. Anyways, this is probably going to nuke now. For fuck's sakes, can't believe they had to do this gay ass shit.
Well,
Philosophy,
I did short Bitcoin, so there's that.
Heavy short on Bitcoin. I added
You went
back in. I was already in. I just added more in. So I took my 0.5% out, and then I added the other 0.5% on that last lower high, bro. I wasn't fucking around with that. Yeah, I'm in a pretty good size trade on that one. This is what I was waiting for. So if this goes the way I think it's gonna go, I know you're not really thinking it yet, but I'm targeting 65K minimum on Bitcoin.
Here's what I would 65K minimum.
Yep.
No, I disagree. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. Here's my plan. Look at if you see my thing, my USDT. So this was what I drew out this morning. I have a new line in the sand line on USDT and on Bitcoin. So it really comes down to here. Like I had this drawn out already. So come down, we did that. Now come up, which means market dumps. We come down to this, and here's why I don't think your target will hit. Well, not I don't think it'll hit, but why I don't think that's like a minimum, because your anchored VWAPs and your let me fucking move.
This bitch is going to 60K. No one will convince me otherwise. 65 is like when I say that, I mean like at the very least this is going to 65, bro. We mark my words.
Okay, let me just explain. So your anchored VWAP from the low to the high and your range POC are all at this zone here with your golden pocket at 68K. Okay, and the only reason why I'm not saying it's not going to go there. I'm saying I'm not quite there yet. I'm not convinced yet. The only reason is because this zone here, first of all, is very strong, very, very strong zone here, but also your structure, SFP the low, and you have your internal flip here, and you have this inducement block up here. So, you know, I think we could come down to 68K and then come up, hit 75, and then roll over.
Yeah.
That's what I think could happen. We'll see. No, I'm not telling the teacher he's wrong. I'm saying I disagree that 65K is the minimum because of this very strong zone at 68K. And if 68K fails, then I agree. Like my new line in the sand line is 66.6, let's just say. If we go to 66.6, then no one's going to convince me that it's not going to 60K. But I just disagree that it's going to 65K minimum. I think if it goes to 65K minimum, then it's going to 60K minimum.
Oh no, I think we're going to SFP 65 and we're going to come back up and do that exact same shit that we've been doing since 2022, bro. It's
But
literally
what do we have
it's
down
a
here
1
though?
to 1. Nothing. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Trust me. You'll see.
Maybe. We'll see. I'll have to adjust my plan. You know, depending
Dead
on what
ass
happens.
convinced, bro. I'm dead ass convinced.
Wow,
Like-
they're smoking.
Like
me
I'm in max
on
size
NQ.
right now
I
on
shouldn't
the
have
short.
started NQ.
Dead
I should
ass.
have stuck to my gut on NQ. I think it's a full day, bro. I should have stuck to my guns. I'm gonna get stopped out of this short. I literally shorted right into an order block. What an idiot. Anyway, whatever. It is what it is. I'm committed now.
Were you covering on your stop loss?
25 164.
Yeah, you're probably good.
We'll see. But the only thing with I don't
Oh, you
know.
shorted Nazi. I thought you shorted ES.
No, I shorted Nazi, bro.
Oh, for that, yeah.
I think but I don't like the high on either one of them. And if BTC goes 71k or above in line in the next 2 hours, if BTC goes to 71k, which I think, like, listen, I think it's going to 74k. I don't think it's going to stop. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, right? Being right doesn't make you money, and being wrong doesn't make you broke. It's all about the execution. But I think we're going to 74k. I do. I really do. None of this screams bearish to me, but that's just me. And if we do take out previous day high, I don't think we're gonna roll over like this. I think if we even touch previous day high, we look for higher low, higher high, which is exactly why it says scalp higher low, higher high here when I did my TA this morning for the Nexus. I just don't. I think everybody's way too bearish, but that's just me, my opinion. Okay, NASDAQ. All right. We're looking okay. We could actually probably add here. Yeah, I did short Bitcoin. Yeah. Shout out to the crypto Scarface again. 60k was the first tap of an accumulation. I think BTC will accumulate at 60k and that will be the bottom. Fair take. Could be. Definitely could be. I personally don't think so, but I think it'll go lower than that. Like, I think we'll see 40s again.
Yeah.
Low 40s. Yeah, that is White Phoenix. I think we will see low 40s again, but you know, again, like I just said, being right doesn't make you money. Being wrong doesn't make you broke. It's about the execution, right? It just doesn't matter what I think. It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what Phoenix thinks. It matters what happens and the reactions we get at those levels. What's my short target? I don't know, man. To be honest with you, I don't really know. It's more of a scalp or a hedge. Sorry, it's more of a hedge than anything else for me. I don't think we're going to go down. I'm not bearish right now. I'm really not. It's a hedge. I'm in disagreement. I think we will see the previous day high very soon, like very soon, and then I think we will see 74k. Probably even sooner than, well, not sooner than that, but maybe even in the same day. $39K is the 786. Yeah, like my bare minimum target, like the absolute highest I think it'll be is 43K. The bear market low. Like I don't see a world where it doesn't go to 43K. I just can't see it.
My target's 33.6 to like 33,629.7 to be precise.
My percent, I know you gave us your theory on like the front run of that demand that one time. I think that, well, when I draw in my idea, my plan, I just take it by the top of the demand, which you're probably right. They're probably going to front run it. But like mine would be 31,869.
Guys, what do you think on gold? It looks like it's gonna come to range high.
The oil's starting to roll over a little bit right now. It's losing view up. Trying to. Might be a higher low though. Or we're just gonna get one more massive scam dump down on oil and hit that zone that I was waiting to hit.
I'm gonna get stopped out here on Nasdaq. This is a long, man. This is not a short. Same with BTC. I'm gonna get stopped out at break even on my hedge. But
I'm
that's okay.
asking-
That's what
oh,
hedge is
yeah.
for.
Are you long or short on Nasdaq, Stan?
Me? I'm short, but I need to get out of it.
Oh, okay.
I think
Your
it's a
fault.
bullish day. Why would we dump and then news comes out and then it reverses and then now we reverse it again? I absolutely think it's a bullish day. I do not think we're bearish at all today. Not at all.
Well,
I
you
think
know
we
the
might-
you know the deal. Bullish news, bearish price action.
Here's what
It
we're
was
gonna
kinda-
do. We're gonna
Neutral news, isn't it?
I thought it was bullish. I don't know.
Oh,
I'm
my
not
buddy.
fucking-
Neutral. You said it was in line with expectations.
Yeah, I thought it was neutral, which is why it makes today harder. Because we have
do we want
Yeah,
to
bad highs and bad
should I
lows
just
and
cut it
neutral
right
news.
now? Here's the
Like
deal.
the-
If I cut it right now, I lose $11.
Listen, if you're gonna short anything, it needs to be a sell, not Nasdaq.
They're shorting on one for starters.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut half the risk off, and then if I get stopped, I get stopped. I don't really care. But I need to take this account like seriously. You know, like I'm funded now, so
Yeah.
yeah. I just don't see how it's a bearish day. I really don't. But we'll see. Maybe we can get out here.
He bought?
Get an itty, and we're in 2 minute. We're accumulating. We have a model 1 accumulation into 3 minute demand here, and it's a reaccumulation. This shit ain't
That's-
bearish, bro. Oh my days. And Biddy's mooning. I'm just gonna cut it.
Damn.
Moon it. What day is Saturday? Saturday's the 14th.
Yeah, 14th. Yeah.
Yeah.
Friday's the 13th. That's when I leave for Chicago. Hey, Gio,
I
you
should
gonna
get on
come
the
meet me in
treadmill.
Chicago, dude?
Up until people get comfy. I agree, man. Wait, Iran opening trade route again. I think World War III going to be a PA driver for sure. For sure.
Bitcoin's pulling off a bearish. Looks like a bearish harmonic right now. To be honest,
A bear hug?
no, it's perfect. It's like a.
Well, you're the master, sensei, so I'm not gonna, you know.
I mean, like I think I'm gonna get stopped out of my trade. I think it looks like we could sweep that high one more time.
On your short.
Yeah, I think we might sweep that high one more time. To be honest,
Come on, Nasdaqistan, dump it.
maybe. Hope not, but we could.
Up until people get comfy. I think that we need to have a real bull trap, and I don't think we had the bull trap yet. How can it keep going down if like everybody's bearish? That's really what I don't get. But who knows? This is my first bear market where I'm like this good of a trader, so I'm seeing things for the first time from a different, you know, perspective and shit.
It looks like a bearish crab. Crabs. Bitcoin got crabs today.
I gotta get my ass on the treadmill. Looks like our short worked out. Yeah, I'm cutting it though. Or I'm just gonna trail down.
Bro, Gio, I think you should meet me in Chicago this weekend, bro. It's not that far from you.
You know what's crazy? I just got 2 texts and now you in the span of the last like 7 minutes of people telling me, yo, meet me here this weekend. This weekend.
Yeah,
on
bro.
Saturday.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, but like, come on, bro. St. Patrick's Day,
Met her on the way to
Chicago. The river's green.
Chicago.
They're gonna dye the river green, bro. Like, you know.
Not only
they
that,
do.
but we can sing, I met her on the way to Chicago. I'm out of this trade. Fuck it.
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
You cut that thing? Oh my god.
Yeah, I cut it.
It just looks like a redistribution to me though.
I'm gonna say, yeah.
Whatever. If it dumps, it dumps. I don't care.
Yeah, I'm looking to get in shorts now.
If I see something else, I'll take another one. The thing is I was not prepared for futures today. Like, I didn't get to do my TA this morning, so these are all impulsive trades and whatever. I met her on the way to Chicago. Hopefully we can come back up and hit this 3-minute demand, then redistro. I'll take that, no problem.
I shorted the break.
Where she was all alone.
Now, but I can't short the break because it's way too big.
Yeah, it's a bit late now.
That's what she said.
Fuck me, man. I can't believe I missed that short. Ugh. I was hoping for a little
Okay,
bit
so
better.
we're 1 for 1, man. That's not a, I mean, it's not a great trade. 1.6 risk to reward.
Too focused on
great-
Bitcoin.
Not a great trade at all, but the best trade that any ICT kids will ever get in their lives. So on to the next. 1 for 1.
We got a nice flip zone on ES.
No pump till Sunday, like always. That's how it is lately, honestly. We have a CME gap at 83K. If I miss the break, just wait for a retest. Have patience. Yeah, Phoenix, have patience, says Suzanne.
Nah, yeah. Funny.
You just gotta have patience, bro.
Imagine.
You just gotta encrouch.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get this 3-minute. If we get like another distro here in this 3-minute block, I'll short it again. And this one will take it down to the range low. I met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all. Let's prepare it.
Busy shorting Bitcoin. I got distracted. I capped out my size.
We're finished as you've done what you done the other day. I drank a
I'm-
fucking bottle of Coke and my stomach's dying.
I also did. Anyone else short ES or no?
Yeah,
No.
I did.
No, I
shorted
shorted
NQ, not
NQ
ES.
and then I just cut it.
Oh, I walked away for a minute. My short's up big. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm up as well.
Well, the reason why I didn't short is because it looked like it was trying to reaccumulate inside that OB right here.
I know, but the higher time frame SFP fucked me, or like made me really be like, yeah.
Well, I
Like,
knew
was
it was a short. I've been talking about short since I got on the call. You know, I knew it was a down day. But here's the thing. Again, you know, they took me out on my better entry, and then that SFP was way too fast, and I was trying to manage my Bitcoin trade, so I couldn't really do both. You know.
Yeah, man. Here's my thing. Like, I am. I'm like finding it hard to disconnect my bias in crypto and in like futures.
These fuckers aren't coming back. They might not.
Well, we now have a flip zone, and you have your SMT, and you have your div, and you have everything else. So I definitely think that it's looking better for shorts now on futures. I should have stayed in it, but whatever, it's okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. Yeah, I don't know why you closed that thing, man. It is what it is.
It's just because I wasn't like prepared for it, and I still like, I don't know, man. Like I said, I'm finding it hard to disconnect crypto and futures.
Yeah, I get it.
And I do think that Bitcoin can push higher. So I'm like looking at Bitcoin on my separate screen and I'm like, but I need to like be better at just disconnecting it.
Oil's probably mooning, is it? Oh yeah, it is.
Did
Oh
it
my.
hit your long though? Did it hit the long
Oh,
zone?
I fucking missed it by like 50 cents, bro.
Okay, that means I'm looking for longs. Let's see if we can get an SMT here on between BTC and or not BTC,
You had an like this. Like look at oil though for a second on my screen.
between Nasdaq.
And
Okay.
like look at this. Look at that V-shaped return. It missed my zone, whatever.
Okay,
But
see?
like look at that. Wow.
Look at oil on
Oh
the
wow,
1
that's
hour.
a big. How much percent is that?
Oh my God, it's got to be at least 4%, right? 5.8.
Wow.
Yeah. I
Dude,
know.
we should be trading oil.
Well, here's the thing, I have been, but but what I learned is like for the other day, I listen, bro. I don't even care. I'll just tell everybody. But I had
Wait,
you
hold
know,
on. Sorry, real quick. Sorry, this is time sensitive. That's why, because you're in your Bitcoin short. I don't know if you're looking at it. We're mooning on Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, I'm okay
Just
with
letting you
that.
know.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, is why I cut the NQ short, because I have a bullish. I mean, I think we can go higher on Bitcoin. So that's what I'm saying. It's hard for me to disconnect it. Anyway, sorry. Continue.
Yeah, I'm looking to I can't add any more in, but I'm gonna get
Honestly,
back if I see it.
This might be.
No, I'm still in. I'm still in. I think we're gonna either take that high again in Bitcoin and sweep and go lower, or we're gonna put a lower high in and take out this guy right here. We'll see. But yeah, what I was saying about oil is they might just SFP this high right here, and that could be our pullback into a short for everything else. We'll see. But yeah, oil, bro. Here's the thing with oil, right? It moves so fast. Like, watch this. Like, let's say that I want to short, I don't know, this 1 minute order block, for example. First of all, I can't with a 0.5% risk. So if I go to 1% risk,
No, but
like, for
go
me-
on MCL. Yeah.
even that, I mean, it moves like it moves like a crackhead, bro. Like, it's not big, yeah, you need pretty big price
is.
swings. Like, I need a 5% move to make $1,600 on a 0.5% risk if I were to short right now. That's crazy. So
Yeah,
here's,
but it's
I mean,
all relative. Your stop loss is 2% away.
yeah, exactly. But here's the thing I notice what they'll do often is there's sometimes when the volatility picks up, you get stopped out. Like I got stopped out on 2 trades on it where it should never have stopped me out. Period. No, it didn't hit my stop loss, but I got stopped out. It came close, but I guess the spread maybe, I don't know. Spread got
Maybe
me.
your account hit like max whatever.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No.
Oh, okay.
No. On the last one it did, but not on 2 of them. No, I got stopped out for no apparent reason. So I don't know, but I know that I've seen different prop firms actually. Top Step had a notification, I think, on their webpage, or one of them did yesterday, that said they're monitoring the oil situation, and they may
Oh
have
yeah,
to
I
make.
saw that too. Oh, that reminds me. I need to check the whole Top Step situation.
Yeah, what happened? Did you get your money back?
No, I'm gonna have to dispute it. Well, they told me that they're going to. That they're going to email me back.
So basically, you had them charging you for like 4 or 5 months straight, and you didn't even know about it on 2 accounts, not just one.
Yeah. So they've
That's
been taking $340 for like
They
5
Even if
months.
you fail, even if you
Listen.
fail in evaluation, your
Dude, you know what they
subscription stays
did? No,
active and
I
it
didn't
just
even
gets
fit.
renewed.
Bro, you know what
Crazy.
they did? I checked the account. First of all, I have 2 accounts there. Okay. Both of the accounts, it literally says, they're under closed accounts. It says closed. Okay. Both of the accounts are under closed accounts. And then, what's it called? And then, okay, fine.
So you have to go
I
in and
checked the
manually
history.
cancel
Listen, I
your
checked the
subscriptions.
history. Both of those accounts in December, it says complimentary, and then they activated the accounts again, and then they turned on rebilling. Like the accounts were closed. I closed the accounts. They're under the closed accounts section. It says complimentary rebilling, whatever I got in December, and then they've been billing me every month ever since. I haven't even taken a trade on it. The balance is still the same. Haven't even touched it. I open up a ticket of support and I'm like, yo, listen, this happened. They're like, you're beyond the 72-hour thing or whatever. And I'm like, okay, no problem. So here's the deal. Like, I'm going to get it. You think I'm going to just claim it as unauthorized with the banks anyway. And then I have a platform and I'm just going to absolutely rip Top Step. Like, and
What
Top
they
Step's
say?
already getting a bad rep. So like, what do you want me to do about it? You know?
Yeah, what did Top Step say when you said that?
Better on the way to Chicago.
Gio, what did Top Step say when you said that to them? Did they reply to you?
No, I just told because he told me the guy that's Sebastian, fucking cat name, told me, and he's like, I was like, no, this response is unacceptable. That's what I said. I said this response is unacceptable. Get me a manager. He's like, okay, the manager will come and talk to you soon, or he'll reply to my email. So now I'm waiting. But anyway.
Oh my god, they didn't backtest it. No, fuckers, man. I wanted to get in that ES NQ short.
Oh my days, bro. I'm like,
They backtested on the 15 second.
Chicago.
Bitcoin, I was trying to tell you time sensitive, but no one listened. But anyway, Bitcoin broke 30-second upward structure, FYI, and it looks like it's redistributing. If it didn't already.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't look hot. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that.
It might be saved on the short. Might be saved. We'll see. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I missed that short on ES, bro. Oh, it's so stupid of me. I swear to God, bro, even if I'm not streaming, I think I miss trades on streams. It's just guaranteed every time. It doesn't even matter. I think it's every time I'm in a stream with, like, in general. It's crazy. Like, I have this, like, curse that follows me. It's like, no, you're going to miss a good one. I'm like, okay.
Okay, Phoenix, I owe you $10 because Crypto Scarface says, I would like to know what White Phoenix thinks about the 3-day OBIM with inducement and previous price action accumulation at the same level. Are you talking about Bitcoin?
Yeah, I don't know what you mean.
If you're in the Discord, Crypto Scarface, just drop a photo of it in the general and then I'll pull it up.
Are you still short, Firefly?
Yeah, I'm still short. I'm up like
Trader
600.
Firefly, Trader Firefly, Trader
Trader
Firefly.
Trader jabs, trader jabs,
Trader
Vio.
jabs, Trader jabs, Trader jabs.
When you
Trader
got in,
Vio.
did you cover that whole high?
I covered the
the local
SMT high.
I covered the Model 2 distribution.
See what
I
I
covered-
see? Model 2. Oh, I see it now. Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what do you mean? The bigger one here? Like, look
No,
at my
the small, 30-second time frame.
BTC's
sake.
pumping again.
I think
Moon
we-
it!
You might get that back test right here and sweep out
Yeah.
the late.
That's the Model 2 distribution I'm on about. The one where
Yeah.
you just put your zone on. Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. We
Yeah,
could see that.
POC, nice.
SFB on BTC could make the day.
I'll show more if they retest that.
Did a fake out on Bitcoin on the 30-second break. Interesting. I was hoping that was going to save the day, but I'm actually kind of glad it's moving up a little bit because I need to get into another short.
I don't trade cattle futures personally, no. Here's the thing though, like this,
Yo.
I think this.
I do. I do.
Phoenix trades everything, bro.
I trade soybeans and everything.
Soybeans.
Phoenix
and
trades
everything.
dried bananas,
Yeah,
I
he
do.
trades fucking-
dried
I
banana
trade-
futures.
I trade dehydrated fucking cookies too, you know? Like everything.
We're trading the milk markets, boys. Fuck it.
The MILF
Hype is
markets.
mooning.
You say the MILF markets?
No, the milk markets.
The milk
Oh.
market only goes up,
Better
bro. It's
on
worse than
way
the
to
S&P.
Chicago.
Well, we have an equal low on the ES, perfect equal low, and then a lower low on NQ. And both of them are coming into that flip zone right now, by the way. FYI. This could be the short. For some reason, it doesn't want me to take a short because I can't find my damn stop loss, but where the hell's my stop loss at? Oh, it's down there.
You don't get one.
Yeah, I don't think I do.
Where she was all alone.
I'm not being done with it this time. They always sweep me out on these back tests. They're like, yeah, here's the reaction. Okay, we're going to take Phoenix out and then we're going to nuke it. That's what they do to me on sell, I swear. So I got to like give it room. So funny. We did break structure back up though on ES, so we got an SMT right now. Could be invalidated in 3, 2, 1.
Moon
Three.
it. Go biddy, go biddy, go. Go biddy, go biddy, go.
They're coming from. They had to come for me. Then now we're gonna nuke it again.
No more nuking. No more shorting.
Oh my
Better
god!
on the
Change
way
it.
to Chicago.
Got a 5-minute packerless candle on Bitcoin. That's gonna get nuked.
My god, this guy with his peckerless shit. Yo, look at
Yeah,
this.
bro,
Wait, do you see my screen?
I will now. 1 second. Yeah.
Look. Look at this peckerless daily candle. Peckerless daily candle. Peckerless daily candle. Wow. Bears are
Yeah, but-
fucked.
Wait, you expanded far away from that. That's okay.
Bears are fucked.
Peckerless.
No, look at this though. Look, I'm gonna play both sides of it.
We have a bearish
Look-
SMT right now, by the way.
Look at this peckerless weekly candle. Down at 27K. Bulls are fucked.
Oh, we actually have one there? Wow. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna
Oil
TP
just-
the long though, because I'm streaming and I can't like pay attention well to my trades and shit.
We'll just rim speed the fuck out of that zone.
Let's see if we can short biddy here actually. Now that we swept the
Yeah.
high, I'm okay with shorts, but do I like the shorts? Eh.
Oil just broke structure back up bullish on the 1 minute internal. I'm going to scale into a trade on ES. See what happens. I'm only going to go so much in, then I'll add in if we go down. Because the stop's too big. Big stop. Big stop.
I covered the whole fucking high, bro.
Yeah, no, fuck that. I'll get stopped before I do that, because then there'd be like one contract. I'm only doing 0.5% on this one. Yeah, that's like literally 2 contracts.
No, not that high. The other one.
I did.
No, I'm saying no, I didn't cover that high. I covered the whole fucking high.
Wait, up here.
No, before
Okay.
that.
Hold on. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna just talk to the chat for a little bit. Hold on. Okay. I muted them. This guy with this squeaky voice is like a retail trader. Are you referring to me or are you referring to one of them? Okay. I have an affiliate link for a stock exchange. I do not have an affiliate link for a stock exchange yet. I actually am going to be talking with Tradeify here very shortly. So I'll let you guys know. Okay. Okay, this is what I wanted to answer. Okay, so here's what I wanted to answer. So the candle thing, So this indicator is called here. About the script. This candle is called ICT HTF candles, okay? And then you can change the settings so you can see the higher time frame shit while you're on the lower time frame, and that's how I do it. And I primarily use it for help with entries. So when I'm on the 5 second, the 15 second, the 30 second, and I'm looking to enter a trade, I can at least take a look at what's happening, you know, outside. So like if I'm in a scalp, for example, and I see that this 1 minute candle is you know, a nice buy to sell, and then your next candle engulfs it like this, now I will de-risk. That's why I closed my long. I didn't close my long, I TP'd on my long, because this can give you a decent push down to the downside. If we see the inverse here, then I might consider adding to my long. This is where I might consider head shorting, right? Like there are ways, but that's what I do because I'm so zoomed in and I have a good understanding of like order flow. So I have those candles on the side so that I can like get an overall picture while still being on my same chart. So it's called HTF. I think if you just write, if you just write ICT HTF, and then you can change it to whatever settings you like. It's really good. You just join the Discord, but man, there's nothing there. You need to here. You need to go to there's a screen that you'll see. I don't know if it's I don't think wait, I should see it. Hold on. Okay, when you come in, you're gonna see one channel. You're gonna see one channel, and you have to react to it, and then you'll see all the channels. I met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone.
Half, yeah, it might be 0.5%. Don't care. I'm paying close attention now because this could be, we're in a great spot for this to roll over. The problem is ES might take me out because it has triple highs. But if we lose structure, that's it, game over.
A loss is only realized when you close the trade. Dom,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
wanna-
Remove the
can you tell
stop
me
loss. Hold on, right?
can you explain what you mean one more time for me?
You're serious?
Wait, what?
Yeah, Dom, can you explain what you mean one more time?
The loss is only realized when you close it, so just don't
Okay.
put a stop loss.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
I might
Alright.
ask you later just
Yeah,
to
good
confirm.
structure on NQ now. I like this upward structure pull so far. Kind of looks like a redistro. If we SFP that high again, could be the short. Or we're just going to break down right here, right now. One or the other.
Hey,
Or they-
God, I haven't even been watching. I need to look at this shit.
I think they're
Russell just SFP'd the high.
Bitcoin's gonna. I think Bitcoin might SFP that high, and that might be the short.
Yo, Phoenix, the Russell just SFP'd the high.
Did it?
Yeah.
Why did my alert not go off?
Met her on the way to Chicago.
Trader Geo.
Okay, bro. It's been up only. It's been doing the opposite of everything else today. Like Russell's
Yeah,
been.
yeah.
Up. The
Weird.
fuck is?
Trader? Trader
scared.
at Geo.
What if they go for Asia's high? Then we're fucked. Yeah, see, yeah, this is where I gotta wait for structure. If we lose structure, I'll short it, no problem.
Yeah.
But I need to lose structure. Yeah, it's not worth fading that. Asia's. It might be coming for Asia's high though. It looks like that's what it wants.
I mean, it might also just want to MC here. I mean, that's one of the Russell.
I think ES wants to come for my stop loss, so we'll see. He loves to do that. It's
MC
fine.
this bit down.
Yeah, if we lose any lows, I'm gonna add.
Bro, we have so many equal lows on the bottom of the range. It's not even funny. The high is just a distribution.
Yeah. I was trying to find something that I'm like, did they leave something behind in the ES that I don't see? Because they tend to always, on one of them, they always come back for something so stupid.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't see anything. Not even like a 15-second. Oh yeah, there's a 15-second order block on the top of the wick.
I mean,
Oh,
there's a 5-minute order block above this like New York high we inputted today, but I don't know
Yeah,
why we need to hit that.
so tiny. Yeah, there's no need of. Yeah, there's no need of that. Oh yeah, they're gonna come for me. Fuckers, man. Wow, that's crazy, man. Here we go. Bounce City. Stop loss city. Kind of more interested in shorting the NASDAQ now, though, because NASDAQ is climbing way worse than everybody else. Everything else. It looks way weaker.
Yeah, look at Nazi here. We have
Oh, I'm
Look at
ready to
these.
hammer, bro. I'm ready
you
to
have
hammer.
this like this buoyant high right here. That shit that they say.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm ready to hammer. It's hammer MC hammer time.
It's MC Hammer time.
Here's the thing. What does Do you see anything else there, Gio, on the NQ?
We just have a 3-minute.
No. I mean, like, yeah. Never mind.
Oh, on thing.
Yeah.
On MC Viz. Yeah, I could give you something. We could get something here. It's no trade yet, though. Well, we haven't even hit the zone yet, so.
Oh, what do you have there?
We haven't hit it yet. We have a 3-minute
You had
order
the
block there.
running.
We haven't hit it yet, though.
Yeah, we have a 3-minute flip zone. Or yeah, I drew the whole flip zone in. We hit my flip zone, but yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped on ES before that happens though, because they like to fuck with me.
Met her on the way to Chicago. Wish she was all alone.
That's insane. Remember yesterday, bro? I swear to God, they had no reason to come take me out on that short, and they did. They're like, "Fuck this guy. He needs to go to bed." And then they nuked it right after I was right. I knew it. I knew I was right. I knew it on that high, and then they just came for me, and then they nuked it, and then yeah.
Bro, I got stopped out of Bitcoin twice last night. I like couldn't even believe it. Like this price action last night was this was the craziest PA. Like, why do they need to fucking SFP the low 7,000 times?
See, here's the thing. I'm way better at Bitcoin. Way better at Bitcoin than this stuff. I got to get used to it more. Forex and Bitcoin are my bitch. But I think it's because I like spent so many thousands of hours like figuring out what it likes to do more than other things, right? So that's why I suspect. Whereas I didn't do that much with the ES or NQ. Oh, I got hiccups now.
Today's such a slow day, dude. What the fuck?
Yeah. Because everybody's too busy watching oil. What's oil doing? What's oil doing? Is it gonna moon? Is it gonna dump? That's gonna be it's gonna dictate the market.
Want to talk about oil today? We were talking about oil.
Yeah, oil is like everybody's looking at. Bro, oil is the new gold. It is the new.
It's just like what's popping right now.
Yeah, it's the new meme coin. People just hoard to one thing. Swear to God, bro. It's always the same shit. Like, I might average this short up on ES, bro. But then if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, you know? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that.
Wait, what are you doing?
I think I'm going to average my short up on ES.
Did this
I
load
was
get
thinking about doing
taken?
the same
Wow,
thing.
that load didn't even get taken. Oil.
Do this. Without losing as much. Oh, there we go. See what I just did, bro? Look at my entry now.
On Stella?
Wait, what the fuck just happened there?
Okay, let me
Yeah.
check Nazi.
Yeah, but somehow I lost $300 doing that, but I wasn't minus 300 though. What the fuck? I mean, I was, but it was minus 300 on 10 contracts. That should only been 150 loss. They just screwed me out of. What the fuck just happened there? See, that's the thing I don't like. See your order history.
Bro, last night I lost $1,000 on Bitcoin, by accident. By
Shit.
accident. I literally I put the fucking stop loss in. I put the stop loss in, and then like I don't know, it didn't confirm. Like I literally put it, I dragged it, I pressed confirmed, and then I walked away. It's my fault. Like I didn't double check to make sure that it was there, but I put the stop loss in, whatever, and then I come back and like Biddy moved against me by like I don't even know 250 or something, and I was in like 3.5 Bitcoin. I lost 1,000 like on where I should have lost like 200.
Wow. I think they're gonna try hitting the golden pocket on ES. Actually, it's right above that. It's right above the flip zone. Yeah.
Better run away to Chicago. Yeah, I don't have a trade yet. I think ES can push still. Do we have an SMT on the low? Yeah, man, we have SMT on. Wait, do we have an SMT on the low?
Not really.
Yeah. Yeah,
Equal
I'm not shorting.
flip lower, so not really.
NQ.
NQ looks like the short though, better than ES. It's just ready to roll. We need to get in a bigger short.
Ready to roll.
Yeah, as soon as the oil pops off, I swear. I hate how we have to look at oil for this shit right now. So annoying, but it's literally the leading indicator right now is oil. It's crazy, bro. Okay, I'm at my short at break even. Basically, I'm gonna get a new one. They fucked me anyway on like $300 somehow, but so it's not break even because I did you ever see that before, Don?
What?
So I was in. Oh no! Listen to me. I was in five contracts on 5 micros on ES. I was minus $300, right? So what I did is I said fuck it. I'm gonna double up. It's gonna bring my average entry halfway up, right? I'll be in 10 contracts, but I'll still be, and I'll be in the red, whatever. So I did that, but as I did that, it pushed down towards my entry, and it said I was minus 300 still. So I said, okay, no problem. I'm going to take 5 out now. I'm going to buy 5 contracts. I was in 10. So I bought 5 contracts, TP'd 5 via market, which should have been $150 realized loss, right? So when I did that, it put my entry up even higher. And I was like, what the fuck? How did that happen? It's only a TP. So it put my entry up higher, which was good for me. But the consequence was that they encroached me. They took me for $300 loss on what should have been $150, and I don't understand why. I can't check my history. There's no history. Like, that's so annoying, bro.
So weird.
Yeah, that's so weird. Yeah, I don't know. And they also shouldn't move your like, I don't know how buying contracts via market changes your average short entry to higher.
It doesn't change it. I don't know why it did. Are you sure you didn't press now?
I am 100,000% sure that every time that I do that, it puts my entry higher when I buy contracts. I swear to God.
That's so weird.
I know. Tell me about it. But it only works when you're in the red. If you're not in the red, like if you're in a short, I noticed, if you're in a short trade, right, and you're in the red, and you buy via market, it changes your entry up. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. It happened to me like 20 times.
Because Jabs explained that yesterday.
Yeah, but it wasn't no slippage because there was no slippage here.
No,
like
it changed when you get out of a partial, like it changes your trade, right?
Yeah, but it put it way higher. Like I was
No,
I was down.
I know. Jabs explained that yesterday. There's a reason. It's not like Bitcoin. It's not like dollar amounts or whatever. It's like because it's based on the contract size. It like, I don't know. Jack, you gotta ask Jabs, but he explained it to me yesterday. Because I told him the same thing. I was like, why the fuck? I was like, why the fuck would it do that?
Yeah, that's dumb. By the way, I'm not shorting ES anymore. No, I'm gonna wait for NQ. If it is a short, I'm gonna wait for NQ.
Yeah, I don't. Well, Bitcoin. I mean, NQ just hit the supply, so we're okay now. But
just hit the golden pocket on ES. I fucking knew they were gonna do that.
I still don't think it's a short.
I'm still waiting though. Yeah, I gotta wait for.
Actually, now I'm more open to it because we just swept out these highs. So I'm definitely more open to it. I actually think the opposite. If you're gonna short ES, not NQ.
No, fuck that. It's above you up. Oh, they both are they? Shit. Yeah, they both are.
Yeah, but here's the thing. You have the bear. You had the I don't know. You have like a target, a clear target, like these equal lows on ES, but NQ flipped bullish. I don't think either of them are a short, but we'll see.
I'm just waiting for the answer, bro. I'll just wait for structure to give it to me. I'm not fucking guessing. If it's a short, then we'll know because we're gonna start losing these higher lows. We lose these higher lows and going right in.
Met her on the way to Chicago.
I should have hammered that short earlier and just did 1%. I would have been done for the day. Damn. Went way too small on that.
I think I want to long today. I want to add to my Bitcoin long. Better run away to Chicago, where she was all alone. I think if they were gonna reverse this V-shaped news, they would have already reversed it. Like, why would we V out like this and then hang around up here?
Neutral news, though, right? There's nothing.
I don't know what. Well, no, I don't care if it's bullish or bearish news. News is Mickey Mouse to me. But it's like we got a reaction off of it. So if we're gonna come back, like what, for example, on Bitcoin, like where would you even be shorting it to?
Yeah, I'm waiting for an SFP of that high on Bitcoin. I'm not fucking with it yet.
Yeah. Ain't nobody love me better. Ain't nobody feel this way. Ain't nobody. My short this morning on Bitcoin was so.
Oh my god, we got the most bearish.
My long.
We have the most bearish fucking OI ever on Bitcoin here, by the way.
This was my long on.
I should have held my short. Don't have to get back in.
That was my long this morning.
Yeah, I think this is. I think Bitcoin's gonna keel over and die. Okay, I'm going in 2 seconds. Yeah, is it?
Like one candle, just fucking center basically. But...
Oh,
Okay.
see now this looks better for a short again.
We just flipped.
Came up, we hit the 3-minute supply. So good.
Problem. We didn't do it on NQ. It's an SFP.
No, it looks good. It looks way better now. Look, we have
Now
1
the-
minute
If NQ
Skittles,
hit
1
into a
minute bearish
3-minute,
golfing.
then
You
it
could have
should be
entered right there.
Yeah, and NQ just flipped 30-second structure for the first time.
Yeah, this looks way better for a short now.
Yeah.
But I was looking at stupid ass Bitcoin.
Well, I just shorted, so we'll see.
This would have been the trade. I didn't take this, but this would have been the trade.
Nuke it.
Pump it. What'd you say, Dom?
Didn't nuke it.
Yep.
That would.
Can you tell me about what you were saying, by the way, earlier?
Oh my fucking god, do you have like memory loss?
I just wanted to hear it one more time to make sure I understood.
Take the high? See if
I'm not
took the
repeating
high
it.
here.
Please,
ETH did
tell
not
me
take the
again.
high either.
Brother, your losses are not realized until you close your trade, so don't have a stop loss.
All right, thanks for telling me that. Just wanted to clear that up.
If you get liquidated, just go in again. Do
Yeah,
MM
Dude,
crypto style.
I wonder what we should check on him. Later, like not right now. Like it doesn't matter. But
I think
we
he's
should
still in the same trade though.
I'm not sure. I haven't watched him since that day because I was like, he has lost his mind.
Who is it?
MM Crypto.
What happened to him?
He told us his strategy for how he's getting into his new long for the bull market. Have you heard
Yeah.
it?
No.
Okay, maybe you weren't around then. Well, his new strategy was, he said, I'm going to risk, I'm going 10x leverage, full port until I find the bottom of Bitcoin. So he said, if I'm going to long, whatever, 200K on 10x at the bottom, and if I get liquidated, as soon as I get liquidated, I'm going to go in again.
Really?
Yep. And again and again and again until he finds the bottom. And then, yeah, bro, he longed like $17,000 Bitcoin and held it all the way through the bull market and made like 25 mil.
Yeah, he literally was like, as soon as I get licked, he's like, my liquidation is 70K. If it hits 70K, no problem. I will simultaneously open up a new one. My liquidation is 60K. If that one gets liquidated, no problem. I will open up a simultaneous My
He's gonna run
liquidation's
out of money.
50K.
He's
He
gonna
said
run out
in
of money before we
$10,000
get to
increments
33K.
all the way down.
He won't run out of money though, bro. He realized like
Bravo.
17 million at the high. He's like, my plans for my new $100 million short. That was his thing. That's what he said. Complete idiot.
I'm not in this, by the way, guys. Not in that. I did not take any trade yet. I'm thinking about it though.
I'm getting wrecked on mine, but that's okay. NQ fucked me, I think.
I think it's worth a shot here.
Well, it
think-
broke structure, and then they fucking bounced that view up, and I fucking got bottom ticked.
I think it's worth a shot, but
But we'll see.
don't know.
I'm not closing out of it. I get wrecked, I get wrecked. I don't care.
I just can't shake the feeling that it's not gonna go down. I don't know, but it could.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't nobody love me better. All right, whatever. Let's try it. No risk, no Rari.
No risk, no Lambo.
Yeah, exactly.
No risk, no Rari. See what happens here. Ain't nobody love me better. Okay, see what Biddy T says he's doing. I want to long it though. That's the thing.
Yeah, short. I'm only in NQ. I was in way too much there. Fuck. I keep forgetting that I can only make so much. I'm like, oh shit, I was in way too much there. Whoopsie. Oops, the daisy. I'll watch fucking ES hole or NQ hole because it's fucking stupid. Yeah, we're not like, what the fuck are they doing here, man? Come on, Nukas.
But you know what was the better short?
Yeah, I know. The fucking Dow. You're gonna say that, I know.
I was gonna say the Russell. I haven't actually seen the Dow. Dude, why do I keep doing this? Why do I keep taking fucking NQ? This shit's so bad.
Dollar
Breakfast.
costing averaging using leverage seems like a losing plan. Yeah, I agree. Why won't he wait till he sees higher lows in an uptrend to long Bitcoin? Because he's an idiot. That's why. I think a lot of people like misinterpret money for like being smart, right? Like I remember I was once talking about Michael Saylor and how his strategy is the stupidest shit I've ever heard in my entire life. And then somebody was like defending him by saying, dude, he has like billions of dollars. He's not stupid. And I'm like, well, money doesn't define how intelligent you are. And same thing with crypto. Like just because you have a YouTube channel, maybe you're good at marketing and whatever else, but that doesn't mean that you know what you're doing or whatever.
Yeah, I agree.
Ain't nobody love me better. He cashed 14 mil at the high. Yeah.
Okay, nuke this fucking thing already.
Bro, why did I take NQ? I should have either taken ES or the fucking Russell. Like,
I know, bro. I know. Tell me about it right now. I'm fucking
I
pissed.
always pick the wrong one. I don't get it.
Fuck. I have the same problem right now, so.
Like, thing is, that ES swept that, like, weird even there's no distribution on ES, on NQ it is. It swept those 3 highs. NQ didn't, so you'd assume NQ's weaker, and it's just fucking not.
Yeah. Here's the thing, though, that we have to watch the Russell because if that rim sees up and everything else is kind of following it, we got a 5-minute OB below us. If it bounces, it could get fucking smoked.
Yeah, true.
You.
Arc investing trading the best. Their average goes 32 to 35k. Yeah, I don't know, man. I just feel like it's not a down day, but we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. We're at the GP right now on Biddy. Biddy T Sizzy.
If this holds here on NQ, I'm closing out, bro. We don't. This has to engulf like right now, or I'm getting out. I'll get in again later. I'm not playing this game. We gotta see this low. This low has to go properly. It's taking way too fucking long to move here.
At Geo, at White Phoenix, the reason the position moves on futures when you partial close is because the contracts are bought and sold in the order you opened. So the first positions opened are closed first, and the later positions opened are the left ones open. Okay, so it's more like Kraken, pretty much. Like that's how Kraken kind of operates on the crypto side. Good to know. Are we nuking here on NQ? Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Good. Good
You
plan.
shorted it?
Yeah, man, I told you guys I shorted it. I could have had a better risk reward. I could have honestly covered this high, but that's okay. We're playing defensive on this account. I want to get my payout. $800 more, and I can get my. Oh, actually, I need to hit 2100 before I can get a payout, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And then I need to make $1,000 more than that.
Pretty sure.
So I need 3100. I don't even care for the money. I just want to get the payouts so that I can get on the live account.
Okay, nuke this fucking man. I should have stayed in my massive size that I was in. Fuck. Why did I close that? They fucked me up with that delayed dump.
On what? On NQ or on Bitcoin?
I was just in like 1% on both, and now I'm not. Well, I'm only in like 0.75% short because of fucking on NQ because they fucked with my head there. Oh yeah, nuke it. I fucking told you it was a short. Okay, we're good. Nuke this fucking thing, man.
Oh,
I wish
there
I
we
wasn't
go.
fucking busy right there.
Okay, we're
I
definitely
should have
going
shorted the
break even
SFP.
now.
This is gonna.
Oh, I'm up fucking
There you
2K.
go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Dump that shit.
Let's change this to 1 buy limit, and then we'll trail the rest.
Take a bat. Oh, what the fuck happened?
That's what I'm
Oh
saying.
shit!
Bro.
I just walked. Damn.
I want to
Yeah,
take one
we're good.
out, though.
I GP'd half. I'm up. I took 1,000.
Oh, I messed up with going fucking break even.
What's ES at? Someone tell me.
I don't know, but I would
ES?
have made my whole account one day, one trade if I had kept my
I
fucking
took,
thing.
I took
ES
NQ.
is
ES is
S&P.
at 6773.
ES hasn't took the equal lows yet. And Q's
Okay.
up the low.
Let me know when it does.
I should. We should. Did we sweep the low? We did sweep the low. I should take
NQ
one out.
done.
Let's take one out.
Yeah, Bitcoin just fucking died, bro. I told you there was bearish OI there, though. I did go back in on Bitcoin, so we'll see if it works. Got shitty ass entry though. My beautiful entry died. I'm at 750 now. For fuck's sakes.
Okay, so we have buy stop there. I guess the limit. I'll just let this bitch like run. Like it'll either stop me out or I'll let it. Like I don't even need to close it. What's my target for Nazi?
I'm letting this bitch run
I
too.
think we could. You know what? I'm gonna take it down to here. We're gonna take it down
Okay.
to 2, 4.
Do you think he's gonna go that low now after you're fucked, bro?
Well, I mean, the difference now is that, like, yeah, this looks like a distro, but like, if they're gonna distro here, what's the target for it?
Nuke it.
Yeah,
Nuke it.
that's your target for it. Is nuke it.
Yeah, nuke it.
Just let me know when NQ takes those equal lows, or ES. I mean, sorry, please.
I'm not watching ES right now, but
Everybody.
I'm mad at
love me
ES.
better.
We had a fight.
Okay, now we're at 786.
People are buying that SFP back.
Here.
Though.
Yeah, Not
We
really.
do have a bullish divergence between ES and NQ, so hopefully they don't come back for our stops here, break even. But I'm only in fucking half.
But we hit a 15-minute inducement block on NQ.
Oh shit! I thought. Oh fuck! I'm stupid, man.
I didn't even see that. I just saw that now. I don't think it will hold though. I think we're good.
I screwed something up there. Oh, I was down 400. That's what happened. I was like, wait a minute, how did I TP $1,000, but my account is at fucking 150.4? What happened? Oh, because I was down from that stupid first trade that I did, where I accidentally removed my entry on me.
Mm.
Bro, I should have hammered that. I should have kept my hammer short open. My God.
You should.
I know.
Alright, I hammered this trade, my full daily loss limit on Apex, because it's on the eval, right? My fund didn't already done my
No,
TP on.
here's the thing. Trying to keep.
Oh yeah, for you it's different. Because
I gotta keep my rules because when I deviate from them,
yeah.
it goes bad every time for me. So I'm not playing that game anymore.
Yo, Jabs, I think ES just swept the... No, it's equal lows again. Yeah, 3 equal lows now.
Oh yeah, they're going for sure.
Yeah.
I fucking told you this was gonna be a bearish day, bro. I knew it. I fucking knew we were gonna get a move down here.
I mean,
Fucking knew it.
It's just we're just ranging. Like,
Yeah, but
I hope it goes down. I'm sure. So fuck it. Like, I hope
hasn't
so.
happened yet. But I think they're gonna
Let's see you in Geo.
look at the OI on Bitcoin on that high. Once I seen that, I was like, these fuckers don't even need to come
Yeah,
back.
we gotta
Really.
start, and by we I mean me. Gotta start using OI again.
Well, I mean, I just did for that short there. I mentioned it, but I don't know if you heard me because everybody was talking. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm 2 for 2 on Bitcoin right now, so
Bro, I
Fucking
keep
do-
waking my dog up every time I say your name, Phoenix.
yeah, that's funny.
I'm 2 for 2 on Nazi right now. That's
One.
the one that I care more about. I want to get this shit to elite. I don't really care about Bitcoin right now.
That's great. Yeah, I'm the opposite. This isn't paying the bills. Bitcoin does. As of yeah, I'm gonna have to get like fucking 10 accounts at 150K account to make it worth it. I think.
Been away for a while now.
Yeah, I'm aggressively trailing my stop on this trade. I'll get a new trade if I have to.
Dude, I've been watching a few like futures people stream. I swear to God, dude, this is how they trade. They all trade the exact same, and their positions end up looking like this. They literally all trade the exact same, and it would be like this.
Yeah,
Like,
they go
that's
one.
their trade. That's their trade.
They do 1-to-1s. Yeah, I know. It's stupid as fuck. Yeah, ES is taking those lows out, Jabs. I don't know if you seen that or not. It took the equal lows.
Yeah, I just went and got my Mac. I wasn't watching it.
Nice.
I
Okay, I'm
didn't
actually my target is
actually there now.
low. 24,900 on this short is my main target on the NQ. But if we go lower, then excellent. I'll take it. But if I get stopped in the process of trying to get down there, well then whatever. I'll just short it again. I need to get a better entry anyways, to be honest. This one kind of sucks.
I honestly want to just. I'm gonna close. I think I'm gonna close the NQ one.
I'm not really making much off of this trade, so unfortunately I fucked
Yeah,
up.
Same with me. It doesn't even. Like, it's not even worth holding it.
I mean,
know.
yeah, we might have a chance here. We kind of S&P, so we
What's
might
USDT doing?
go back up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
We can maybe retest the break area too.
But I can't help
I mean, ES might
Falling
just
in
sweep the
love.
lows and turn into a model on accumulation.
with you.
Check oil.
Oil might be distributing here as well.
Could be. Could
I'm
be.
out. Fuck it. I'm done. Good for me. So 50. So $380. How much of the account is that?
Bro, you gotta make 2,100 before you can, like, anything over that, you gotta request the payout.
Yeah, the next ones I'm gonna start going like real risk amount. I'm 2 for 2.
Yeah, nice.
Well, my shoulder is fucking dead. Oh my god.
Same as mine from gym.
Well, bro, you don't understand. I've got this problem where like every once in a while, if I make like a fast movement with my arm, the long head of my bicep where it connects to like the bone in my shoulder will dislocate and go back in, bro. It's the worst fucking feeling ever, bro.
Shit, that sucks.
I went to catch a fucking football last night and I fucking felt that shit pop out. I was, oh my god.
By the way, I longed Bitcoin and I'm half out. Half out now, next 71k.
That might get stuck.
I'm gonna close my NQ, I think. Actually, I'm gonna put my stop loss at this local high that we just inputted.
That's exactly where mine's at. So if I get stuck, I don't really care because it's not even a big trade, bro. I really screwed the pooch on that one. I don't know how I did. I gotta get better at this trading on TradingView thing. It's not even the trades; it's the trading on TradingView.
I know, man. I know. It's so annoying.
I'm not used to it.
I mean, well, I don't know. I've never used wealth charts, but there's another option called wealth charts. They might be good. It's like a proper exchange.
How long we been live for here?
Maybe that's what I need to do, bro.
2 hours? Okay, hold on.
Yeah, I think I'm.
Okay, public YouTube. 2 hours we've been here. Listen, we had 2 trades on stream. 2 trades on stream. Not bad. Okay, pretty good. 2 for 2. We pulled in probably close to. Actually, that's not even 1 risk to reward on the day. So not really the best performance, but this is the first day where I was trading actual funded account. Okay, this is my first funded account. So, you know, we made like, I don't know, 0.7 R on the day. Not great. Okay, not great. However, in case you missed the previous streams, I'm still getting used to the UI. I'm not using it as an excuse. It's definitely not an excuse, but I'm just telling you how it is. I'm getting used to the UI and, you know, trading live on YouTube, especially when you're on a live account, understanding that people will follow you, kind of dipping your toe into the futures market, right? You know, I'm a crypto guy. Dipping your toe into the futures market and doing it publicly, I have to be a little bit more cautious. Obviously, like, you know, we got a little bit, not cold feet, that's not the right word, but as time warms up and as I get more used to trading on TradingView, I'll be more comfortable with putting in proper position sizes and executing on the fly. You know, if I go in the way that I normally trade, I need to be familiar with the UI. I need to be able to flash close if I see something I don't like in an instant, flash close it and whatnot. And I'm just not there yet with trading on TradingView. So those are into account, but nonetheless, we went 2 for 2 on the day. And you know, not bad. I think that I could have pulled more, but you know, moving forward, we will definitely hit those numbers as I continue to get used to the platform. So W day, not bad. We'll see how she goes. I think this could be a long now. I did long Bitcoin, like I just said as well. So I guess I'm 3 for 3 on the day. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for New York Open. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. We did not get to 100 likes again. So no Nexus internship giveaway. And one love.
Set my heart on fire.